Now let's solve the problem. Without using trigonometric tables, evaluate. Cos square 26 degree plus cos 64 degree into sin 26 degree plus tan 36 degree divided by cot 54 degree. Now let's evaluate the value of this. Cos square 26 degree, let me write as it is, cos square 26 degree plus, here cos I will write as it is, but 64, we know that 90 minus 26 is what? 54, right? Therefore, this 64 degree I can write it as 90 degree minus 26 degree, right? 90 degree minus 26 degree into sin 26 degree, okay, plus tan 36 degree divided by cot. Now 90 minus 90 degree minus 36 degree, what we will get? 54 degree, right? Therefore, this 54 I can write it as 90 degree minus 36 degree. 90 degree minus 36 degree, okay? Now cos square 26 degree plus cos 90 degree minus theta, that is cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. We know this formula, right? Now here cos 90, in the place of theta we have 26 degree, therefore it will become sin 26 degree, okay? Therefore I can write it as cos 90 degree minus 26 degree, I can write it as sin 26 degree into sin 26 degree plus tan 36 degree. Now cot 90 degree minus theta, cot 90 degree minus theta is what? Tan theta, right? Cot 90 degree minus 36 degree, that is in the place of theta we have 36 degree, therefore it will become tan 36 degree. So cot 90 degree minus 36 degree, I can write it as tan 36 degree. Tan 36 degree. Okay. Now see, cos square 26 degree plus sin 26 degree into sin 26 degree. It will become sin square 26 degree. Sin square 26 degree plus tan 36 degree, tan 36 degree, it will cancel and it will become 1. We know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now see here, therefore this one, cos square 26 degree, cos square 26 degree plus sin square 26 degree, it is what? 1. So this one I can write it as 1. Cos square 26 degree plus sin square 26 degree, it is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 is the answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you.